Hello and welcome to another tutorial on Fhlwee Channel. On this tutorial I will show you how to mix image with color text and create a color background. So let us start, and the program we will use for this tutorial, it's Pixlr. It's free software, it's free program, website on the internet. If you go to your browser, whatever, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Opera, whatever browser you have, and type in pixlr.com, it will open this page to you, and from here we will go to Pixlr E, as you can see, and we will go on the side here and we will click on create new. The default size for the new image, it's reasonable, it's good size for the desktop, so I'll keep this as it is. Okay, I will click here on create, and I will leave the background as a transparent background. From here I can change it, I can add color background, but I want it transparent background like this, and I click create. This is the page, it will open like this. Here I can change the background, I can make it dark or light. From here I can make it light like this, white, or I can make it dark like this. It's up to you to choose whatever you like to do. Okay, now let me bring an image here first. So I will go to a layer, add image as a layer, and I will choose this beautiful angel, and I'll put like this. She look nice. Yes. Okay. After we add an image, we need to add a text here. I will create a text. I will go to T. I'll click here and double click here to add a new text. What shall we say for this girl? We say amazing. Yes, amazing. She is amazing. Okay, take the text here and change the size a little bit, make it large like this. Okay, bring it here, and I need to change the font for this text, so for this reason bring it here a little bit and click here so I can see what font I have. Here you have lots of different fonts to choose from, and all it's wonderful, by the way. So if I go to this one, if I go this one, I'm looking for something bold because we will add color to the text, so we need the color to be visible. If we choose something light like this, small, it wouldn't be nice in color. Oh, what's this? Wow, it's too big. Let me this one. No, let me choose another. Of course, when you create something like this, it's entirely up to you to choose whatever font you like. Okay, but for me, I'm looking for which one? I think this one is nice. No, this one is okay. Yes, we will go with this one. We'll make it a little bit bigger, and bring it here. So now we add an image and we have a text. I need to put some color on this text. I do not want it to be white like this. So the first thing to do is you choose the layer for the image, this one, And once you are happy with this font, with this size, with everything, you go to layer and click on rasterize text and element. Okay, now we can start work on this text. The first thing I do, let me go out of the text here, so I'll click anything here on top. Okay, the first thing, I stay here in blue, I go to select and I will click on select pixels. As you can see, the letters is being selected, so I can start work with this one. Let me go and click here, then I will start use a color. Here, by the way, you can create whatever color you want on this panel. Here I can show you how to do it. The first one, if I click here, it will show me black. No, I can do it red, and sorry, it's red. Okay, the second one, it's last one. No, I can make another one here. If I double click here, I will create another point and I will choose yellow. Then I will create another one here, yellow. I will choose it green. Then I will continue the same, and with green I will choose it blue, light blue. And then I will choose another one, I will choose dark blue. I can bring this one closer to this. As you can see, you can do whatever you like in colors. You can add more colors if you want. I will add one more here. Let me choose purple color. Okay, now we have the colors. We will use this. I'll click here and all the color comes here. Still the text, it's selected as a pixels. I will put the mouse from here to the end like this, and I will leave it. You see the color, it comes on the text. It's simple and it's nice, by the way. Or you can do it in another way, from left to right like this, or you can do it from top to bottom like this, and you can do it from bottom to top like this, or you can click here and do it from top to bottom. It will come like circle like this. Okay, again from bottom to top it will come like this. So it's entirely up to you how to put the color on the text. I think this one is nice. It looks nice, yes. I'll click here and an empty place like this. Now we have the text, we have the image. We need to create the background. The background, which is this transparent background. I need to put just some color on it. I'll show you how to do this. You come to the empty one here, this layer, because this is a layer, empty layer, and you select this one, and the same, you will go to this one here and you choose color. I will choose ready-made color, this one. Okay, and I'll put the mouse on top, this corner to the bottom corner like this, and I leave. Look at this. So of course you can change this background. You can choose something like this, and this green. Again, you come here and you do this, or you can come here and you do it from top to bottom in the middle like this. Okay, so you have something like lights, sun on the top, and green in the bottom like this. Okay, but I prefer the other one. We choose it first one. This one, it's nice. It gives good indication. Yes, this is beautiful one. So the picture is clear. The text, it's amazing. It's really nice color, and we create the background. All this is just in one program. It's in pixlr.com and it's free to use it, by the way. Anyone can use it. Okay, I hope to learn something new. Okay, of course, you can change the text whatever you like, whatever color you like, whatever picture you like, and whatever background. You can go from here and you can create your own color, or you can choose ready-made color from here. It has many, as you can see. Uh, it's up to you to do whatever you like to do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, before you leave, click on subscribe channel, and I will do more videos in the near future, in the next few days, of course, and I hope to see you again with your comment. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Goodbye.